Hey, I want to make this quick video for you on how to master meal prep. And this really is a big piece of the puzzle for so many people because like I've shown a few times already, we eat what's around us as this crap, or we eat what's around us in a bunch of blueberries. So if it's there and it's easy, it's what we're going to eat. Can you use a meal delivery service? Absolutely. Uh, those are great. Makes it nice and easy to do it. They have some really high quality ones. In this training, though, I want to show you how to master meal prep really easily. And I prescribe to Precision Nutrition's method of trying to stay with really healthy food we have on hand. That's why we've done our kitchen cleanup, our environmental prep, and then what it looks like for a good plate, right? We have our lean protein, we start there. We go around the circle, we have our vegetables, and we have our fats. And then finally, we have a little bit of carbs at the end there. Carbs are the easiest thing in the world to find, so we don't have to start with them. Start on lean proteins and work your way around, right? On the weekend, what to do? Prepping one pot meals is really great. Things like grilled chicken, like roasted veggies, really easy to do. Add up the time it takes you. It doesn't take any more time than going in line at Taco Bell. It doesn't over the week. It doesn't. You can fight me on this and I'll say no, and you know I'll win. You know I'm right. It's that we don't want to give it up because we plan ahead that if you want this goal body, this goal lifestyle in advance more than you want to be sick, inflamed, overweight, unhappy, lethargic, having a crappy sex life, a crappy drive, crappy goals, then let's kick this stuff and let's get on the right train, right? I'm here to help coach and push you towards that. Okay, this is the path. So we look ahead. What are the busiest days of the week that we need meal prepping? You may not need it every day, maybe for a couple days. Get your menu. We have the food guide on the Metabolic Reset. Lots of other food guides out there too. Shop for ingredients, cook for the week, eat it again. Like you're not four where you're like, broccoli again. Like I'll eat broccoli every day. It's great. It's fine. Just cook it for me. I'll eat it. I'll eat these raspberries. My wife leaves me good food while I film. I'll eat a bowl of raspberries, my other prop I show, or I'll eat a whole bag of popcorn. Whatever's in front of me, I'm going to snack on. So that's why we get our kitchen clean, and we do it right here. We store it now. Get your containers that we can do it nice and easily. They're accessible in the fridge. There, other little tricks. Night before, certain things have to soak and have to save up a little bit extra time there for you. How much time it is, you'll go through all that. I don't need to read everything to you. In the morning, right? Pair the food prep with what you're going to do that day. You may need a bigger lunch, a longer lunch. You may need more snacks. You may need extra things. Put on the calendar so you know when you need certain items. And then again, the time it takes to chop up 1 carrot or 5 carrots isn't any different. It's the time of the prep and the setup, doing it every time where we start to work ourselves out of the time it takes. So chop up 5 carrots at once, done, easy. 5 bags of almonds, done, easy, right? We're saving time here. That's what I mean. That line at Taco Bell is not a faster solution. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, all again, stay on the list that I've given you. But this is a really great guide, some meal prep on here, some ingredients, some instructions. It's simple. You can make a lot of food really fast. It's one of the pillars here of the metabolic reset, and just getting your body ready to work for you is continually fueling it and giving it the things it needs so your gut is not working so hard that now it can't process the protein. I'm taking one bite of this expensive steak we got from Whole Foods or chicken we got from Whole Foods. We ate it. We're just going to poop it out. We can't process it. So now we spent money. We didn't get it. We're frustrated. Cortisol's through the roof. We want the opposite. Slow it down. In coming videos, I'll talk about that, about digestion, about old habits. All these pieces we need, colors on our plates, sitting down when we eat, smelling our food. All these things we really need to do well to get the body composition we want, but it starts here with these basic habits.